Efficiency is nothing else than doing the same as you do before, produce the same as you do before, but do it with fewer inputs that are required, especially when we talk here about pesticides. So there are lots of examples how digital technologies basically reduce pesticide use and risk without actually changing the production system as such, and without compromising yields. So one example is guidance systems, control traffic farming. We know just like avoiding overlaps, increasing precision, reduces also the use of pesticides by a few percent. Super easy to implement, scalable, low cost. So this is going to be, or is the standard in many places on Earth already. So this is a very straightforward technology with rather small reductions of pesticide use. When we talk about efficiency, of course, also variable rate technologies. So, for example, in the top right picture that reflects an application of herbicides only there where actually there is the weed pressure sufficiently high. So this is also something where you can save quite a bit of herbicides without compromising yields. And then on the bottom, you see an example of drones. Of course, the application in, for example, in Asia is much wider than, for example, in Europe, and much larger the application. But here in Switzerland, for example, this application in vineyards is very much gaining momentum and also perceived to improve the efficiency of the application of pesticides. So efficiency means we can reduce pesticide use with the support of digital technologies without compromising this. The next step is to think about how can we actually substitute, where possible, pesticide use with something different that is less harmful in the end for the environment and human health, and can also help to break some resistant problems in between.